Hello everybody, my name is Murli Krishnan and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of MI India. I hope all of you are doing well and staying safe. And I hope all of you are getting ready to celebrate and enjoy the festivities of Diwali. And in doing so, I hope you're taking the time to check out all the wonderful offers that we have lined up for you this Diwali season across our entire range of smartphones, smart televisions, laptops, and our ecosystem range. At MI India, we've always taken pride in offering you products and services that can boast of the best of specs, the highest quality, and honest pricing. And we've always kept innovating to provide you new products and services that delight you. Now, as all of you are aware, technology is something that evolves very, very rapidly. And this is even more apparent in a category such as smartphones. Less than 2 years ago, we had smartphones boasting of a 48 megapixel camera, which very quickly changed to a 64 megapixel, and today we have phones boasting of a 108 megapixel camera. And it's not just restricted to cameras. Display technology is evolving, starting with 60 Hz refresh to a 90 Hz refresh to a 120 Hz refresh, and today we have a phone with a 144 Hz refresh. And of course, you have battery and battery charging technology evolving, and needless to say, of course, processor technology evolves extremely rapidly too. But the big challenge with smartphones is that the value depreciates very, very rapidly. By the time you think of upgrading to the next phone, it fetches little to nothing in the exchange market. Now, what if I tell you that we are actually providing you with a solution that can help you lock in the repurchase price of the phone in the near future so that you have a lot of money left to upgrade to that next smartphone that you desire? Now, that's exactly what I'm here to unveil today, the Mi Smart Upgrade program. The Mi Smart Upgrade is an add-on that you can buy when you buy your next Mi or Redmi phone that helps you with an assured buyback in a period anywhere between 4 to 15 months. What the Mi Smart Upgrade program does is it lets you lock in the repurchase price of your phone to anywhere between 70% to 40% over the course of this 4 to 15 months. In fact, you can actually get a buyback value assured of up to 40% of the suggested retail price of the phone even after the warranty period of the phone ends, which is after the 12th month, which means anytime between the 12th to 15th month, you can get as much as 40% of the value of the phone that you paid when you bought it. Isn't that fantastic? There are 3 key benefits of the Mi Smart Upgrade program. Number 1, an easy upgrade path to that next phone that you so desire. Number 2, a super easy enrollment process with minimal documentation. Number 3, the freedom to encash your device anytime after the 3rd month up until the 15th month. So essentially, you get to exchange your phone anytime after the 3rd month up until the 15th month, and in return, you can get an assured buyback value of up to 70% to 40% of the value of your phone. While it's such a fantastic offer, of course, there are some terms and conditions, and those are now being flashed on the screen. So, the moment that all of you have been waiting for, the Mi Smart Upgrade packages start from just 399 rupees on select Mi and Redmi phones. So Mi fans, walk into your nearest Mi Home, Mi Studio, Mi Store or Mi Preferred Partner outlet and get to avail of the Mi Smart Upgrade program today. So that's it for me. Signing off, wishing you a very happy Diwali. I hope all of you will stay safe and have fun. Thank you.